common fund sa BCBP. So, puwang lagi na. Okay. The remaining funds from the proceeds of Fund 1 was 67,660. Proceeds from sale of breakfast souvenirs, which is 3,020, so not 70. Then we had the expenses at the recent activities, and I just scroll down there. The expenses was 52,015. So ang remaining funds is 18,665. This funds is with Brother Johnny Dinoy. Siya may treasurer sa now that